How are you guys doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life, and we're going to do a comparison video now just to see how many ochas can be grown in a garden bed. It's a well mulched lasagne type gardening with no digging involved at all, so we would have not actually been tilling the original soil. So let's take a look here. That's where the plant is. That's the plant there. We have had to cover our tubers with a little bit of extra mulch because we had a fairly harsh frost there a few days ago, but we don't need to dig them up and store them in the winter in a shed or somewhere like that, because the wood chip mulch actually keeps the frost off them. So about 5 minutes of harvesting of one plant, and show you guys a picture actually what this plant used to look like. And this is what it was like in the middle of the summer. And now that's it, all cleaned up and mulched again, just brushed over the mulch, ready for planting something different or the same thing in a month or two, whenever the new growing season is starting with our mild winter. And here is the harvest. Very substantial harvest off one plant. Take a look at that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just show you guys how many there's in it. Look at that. And there's some fairly big ones in it. So there must be about 50 or 60 tubers in it. And that's all grown from one little tuber, maybe about medium size. So ochas are actually second to the potato. They were introduced into Europe in 1830, and they almost, well, if they had caught on, we might have been eating them every day now, just like we are with the potato. But they're lovely roasted in the oven anyway, and there's lots of ways to cook them. You can even eat them raw, and they have a bit of a lemony flavour off them. And we prefer the yellow ones. This variety here is actually New Zealand yam. We also have red ones, but the yellow ones grow bigger tubers and probably taste a little bit better in our opinion anyway. So yeah, let us know in the comments below if you've been growing ocha or if you'd like to grow them, if you have any questions, and please do visit our website. We have a few bits and pieces for sale there, some of the rare tubers that are hard to get. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye.